Okay, we're in the back office of Canva. Canva is free to use, and I'll put a link to Canva down at the bottom of this video. But this is the tool that I use to make my YouTube channel art and also my thumbnails for my videos. And basically, um, for example, I'm going to click on YouTube thumbnail. And what happens is when you do that, a lot of different examples come up. These are free to use, and you can edit them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one. Okay, and I'm going to pick this one. So you can pretty much change these elements. So, for example, this part right here, if you click that black, right up at the top of the screen, there's a little square. When you click on it, it opens up, and then you can choose different colors. If I wanted to make it that color, make it pink, make it purple, you get the idea. So, also, the picture itself, you can put another background. You don't have to keep what's right here. So, um, inside of Canva, they have photos, or you can go to a free um, site like pexels.com or pixabay.com. There's some other ones where you can get free images, but I'm going to click on photos. And they have different um, categories. Like it has Christmas, New Year, snow, winter, holidays. They have food. So say that I was doing a video about food. I'm just going to click on it. And they do have some free images, and then they have images that will cost you money to use. And I like free. So this one is free, and I'm just going to click on it. And then I want to be able to bring this forward because I do want to have be able to name or put something in that image that on top of the image. So I'm going to click on this. And then right up here, it says position. You can make it come forward so it'll be over the image. And then you also can stretch out the image. So I'm stretching it out. And so pretty much this is what I get. Also, what I can do is instead of using this, I can get rid of that. So I'm going to just click delete, and I'm going to click delete again. So I got rid of that. And what I want to do is I want to get an element, and I'm going to choose the square. So what I can do is I can change the color of that square. I'm going to make it black, and then I'm going to stretch it down. And I'm going to stretch it down some more. And this is where I'm going to be putting my title. So, and I can always change this to another color to reflect some of the colors in the image. So say that I wanted to change it to red, I can. The red is going to stand out on YouTube. So, and if it's not the red that you desire, you can click on this plus sign and you can kind of fool around with the red. I like this darker red. So just you can just manipulate this so it changes the red. And once you get to the color that you want, you can move on. And my next thing is I'm going to click on this T or text. And so I'm going to be putting a title in. And let me think. You also have some choices below if you want to change it up a little bit and have the text a certain way. You can also do that. So, um, so just in case, if I decided to use this, I can kind of change it up. And let's see. So, let's see. I can change the color of the letters from black to white. I can change the size. Um, when I'm doing my thumbnails, I do a lot of keyword research, and that's going to be part of what I'm going to be covering in some other videos. But I just wanted to show you how you can create the YouTube thumbnails for your videos. And then I'm going to go, I can get rid of this too if I didn't want anything at the bottom. And then I can move this around so it's centered. So it's centered in the middle and it's centered across. And it's just an example. Um, And then when you're ready to save it, you can go up at the top, right up here, and you can name it whatever you want to name it. And I'll just name it How to Make a Healthy Salad. And then I would hit my enter key to keep that title, and then I'll go over here and I'll click download. And this is one of those paid um, uh, thumbnail YouTube thumbnails, and I'm not going to go and pay $1 for this. This was for example, but once you have created your thumbnail, you can just click the download. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over um, back to home. And once you start to make YouTube thumbnails and channel art, you can go and look at your design. So I'm going to click on all your designs. And basically, these are thumbnails I have used or created in Canva. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move that one to trash. And then I have another one I have to move to trash. Um, and what you can do also, if you created a thumbnail and say that you like the thumbnail and you want to just change some of the elements in it, all you have to do is just click on the thumbnail. And then, like this one, I just created because I received some seeds from M.I. Gardner, and I'm going to be doing a video on that. And so say that I receive something from someone else, I can just change it up, change the colors, put in another image, another picture. There's a lot of things you can do with Canva, and it's free. I love free. Free is good. um, so in the next video, I'm going to be covering how to make YouTube channel art.